Hello, I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. We are on a walkabout today again. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and good night, depending on your geographical location and your time zone. We are on a scroll, and we are marching on this area, looking at this environment. We're looking around, being not too cold today. It's sunny, but not too sunny, but also cold. And everybody's, moving around and trying to do one or two things. You can see that. You can see lots of cars trying to drive inside there, inside the park to have a little enjoyment. Remember to like this vlog and comment if you like what I'm bringing to you. Turn on notification button. Remember to subscribe. Thank you for all our fans who have been supporting this channel. I must commend all of you for doing so. Thank you, and wherever you are, I also wish you a wonderful time. And we are going. Look at the road. Look at this area. We just look at this area. Okay. We keep on going. We keep on marching. Keep on marching. Marching. Keep on marching on. Keep on marching. Let us see to this tree. See this tree. I don't know if I'm getting it right, but if this camera is getting it. But this tree must be, it's huge. It must be more than I don't think the camera is doing a justice to it. It must be more than 50 years old tree. This one you cannot bring it down because it's a listed tree. So that's you can see you cannot bring it down. That's huge. That's huge. See, the sun is coming out again. The sun is coming out again. I don't know where you're watching this. You can always comment whatever you see here. You just comment. That's we are here. We just want to look at this place. Okay, I don't know if the sun is affecting the quality of what we are doing. Hopefully it's bright enough. We are still marching on. Look at this tree. Can you see that? Let me bring it nearer for you to see. Look at. Look at. Okay, we are marching on. See that there. You can see. Okay, thank you for spending your time to watch us. This is thank you for watching us. Yes, thank you for watching us. I am still Kodili-nye. You can see this area. We are having okay. We are thank you for joining us. Thank you for supporting us. Thank you. You can see how beautiful this area is. I don't know if you've seen anything, but that's I don't know if you have seen anything or the sun is making it difficult. But I must call it a day for. Thank you very much for joining us. Remember to share, remember to subscribe to this channel. I am Kodili-nye, the son of the wonderful. Have a wonderful experience. Bye.